Hi guys, it's Judy from Vibrant Tech. Look at this remote control tools carrier. It can be used on all kinds of terrains. Not only is it efficient in moving, but it also does so with high quality. Whether you are in a cozy city garden or a sprawling country meadow, it will follow you effortlessly. And now let me introduce more about it.
This patented remote control lawnmower has a cool overall shape that is eye-catching. The smooth lines outline a high-tech appearance. The unique design is not only visually attractive, but also shows a high aesthetic value. It is not a product that is only beautiful, but also very practical. Let's take a look at the internal parts of this machine. Our remote multitaskers are equipped with the Lonson 764 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder gasoline engine. This engine features a two-cylinder, four-stroke design with forced air cooling and an overhead valve (OHV) configuration. It has a rated power of 18 kilowatts at 3,600 RPM. Compared to single-cylinder engines, twin-cylinder engines run more smoothly and produce less vibration, resulting in a better driving experience. It generally offers higher power and torque, making them suitable for heavier loads or higher speeds. For the same displacement, twin-cylinder engines generally balance fuel efficiency and performance more effectively, and their design helps achieve more even cooling, thereby extending the life of the engine. This remote control tool carrier is specifically designed for heavy-duty work, featuring a robust overall frame made from thick steel plates. The main frame is constructed with 4 mm steel plates, while critical connection points in the lifting mechanism are reinforced with 14 mm steel plates. This is an industrial-grade remote control, specifically designed for Vigorons remote multitasker. It features a stylish and elegant design and operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency band, ensuring stable and interference-free signal transmission. Equipped with a high-end processor, so it will be low latency and fast response. It includes an emergency stop button for enhanced safety and reliability. Additionally, it features robust levers and dual joysticks, each fitted with dust covers to protect against dust and water. The rubber track, measuring 15 centimeters in width, is specifically designed for heavy-duty construction machinery, providing durability for over 5 years. The hollow mesh design not only adds to the beauty of the machine but also keeps the machine in good heat dissipation. The driven wheels adopt a dual-row wheel design, where 2 wheels are positioned on either side of the track's anti-slip protrusions. The 20 mm thick transmission shaft is flange-connected and supported by precisely designed bearings and brackets on both sides. This ensures the shaft stays vertically aligned within the track, prevents lateral sway from uneven forces, and greatly extends its lifespan. Our worm reducer is made of 12:2 tin bronze. First, the inherent lubricating properties of bronze minimize friction between components. Secondly, the softer texture of bronze compared to harder worm gears allows it to act as a wear component. In the event of a failure, the worm gear will protect the motor and ensure continued operation. This motor boasts a 48V1500W servo motor with a substantial 110 mm diameter coil, delivering strong performance while minimizing heat generation. Utilizing SH-grade magnets ensures high temperature resistance and prevents demagnetization below 150 degrees Celsius, enabling extended periods of continuous operation. The remote control multifunctional vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art warning lights that strictly meet international safety certification requirements. The control panel of our equipment is designed with simplicity and ease of operation in mind. The storage switch, a crucial component of the control system, serves a specific function. In addition, there is an emergency button incorporated into the control panel. This button is intended to be used in unforeseen and critical situations to initiate immediate emergency response procedures. Hi there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control tools carrier. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. First things first, please turn on the storage switch first. During transportation, we will turn it off to reduce battery loss. To get started, turn on the power switch on the machine. Then turn on the power switch on the remote control. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, you can go forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. Now, let's start the engine. First, open the engine hood and turn on this lever on the remote control. Then pull out throttle on the engine. Now, use this lever to start the engine. Push it back after the engine starts. Don't forget to close engine hood. To stop the engine, you just need to move this lever down. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself. If you do not use the machine for a long time, please turn off the storage switch. Turn off the power switch on the remote control. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. We are looking for the distributors all over the world. Bye bye.